folks, it is time for science. So we're going to talk about what's due on Tuesday, March 31st or Wednesday, April 1st, depending on whether you're period 1 or 2. The whole objective for today is to review the atom and complete that assessment. So what you're going to be doing today is taking the atom quiz and working on the PhET lab project, and I'll take some time to talk about that. For both of these, I do ask for your honest attempts in them, that you are not using outside resources or the internet or anything but really your periodic table and your own smart little brain. So, let's talk through the atom quiz. So, if you are going into Schoology, you should go into the week of March 30th through April 3rd. And you're going to find not only all of the attendance questions, the attendance question you should have done yesterday, as well as the one you'll be doing today, but you will also find the assignment, Chemistry Quiz 3. Notice that it is due on Friday, but I encourage you to get it done today so you're not rushing to get everything done at the last minute. This will look very similar to the quiz that you did in your mailer packet. I highly recommend doing the quiz on paper before you attempt it in your Schoology. It'll make it much easier so you understand what's going on and how to fill in those blanks. So, that's the easy part. The next part is the PhET chemistry project. So in your home mailer packets, you should have gotten the PhET chemistry project that looks a little something like this. So we've done PhETs before, but just as a review, to get to PhET, you're going to have to go into Google and type PhET Colorado. When you type PhET Colorado, click on that first link, and you can begin searching for simulations. We are going to be using the chemistry simulation, so you don't need to worry about any of the other categories here. These are sorted by alphabetical order. So if we're looking for the build an atom, we just go down to the end of the B's here and we find this PhET. Go ahead, and it should be running on an HTML5 so you can access it and play around with it, have some fun, and get to know the PhET just a little bit. Once you complete the PhET, you feel like you've gotten what you can out of it, play the atom, the symbol, and the game, then you are going to both have yourself sign off and get a parent to sign off. Now, obviously, it would be really easy to just say, hey, can you sign all of these things? But I do ask again, be honest in your attempts and be earnestly trying to do this. This will be worth a lab grade and satisfies the hands-on thing that we won't necessarily get for the year. So you want to make the most of it. So that's the 3 things for today. Like I said, these screencasts will be very quick and straightforward. You're going to take that quiz, do the hard copy first, work on the PhET lab project, and take that attendance quiz. Make sure you get that done by 4 p.m. today so you can be counted as here. That's it for today. As always, please join me during office hours or send me an email or an invite to Google Hangout if you need some help. I'm happy to give you assistance. Otherwise, best of luck and see you next time. Bye!